Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video on anomalies. In this video, you will learn what is an anomaly, what are the different types of anomalies, and what are the application areas. Anomaly is a single or a group of data points that don't fit or gel with other data points. If you have a small data set, it is very easy to identify anomalies. But when your data set is bigger, like what you see here, it becomes challenging and nearly impossible to identify anomalies. You will note here that the algorithm has detected even the minutest change in performance. To understand the world of anomaly, it is important to understand that there are three major types of anomalies: time based anomalies, non time based anomalies, and lastly, we have the exciting world of image anomalies, where we detect anomalies in a set of images just like we detect anomalies in a set of data points. When I say time based, I mean data points are based on time. The example that one can think of is price of petrol on different days in a month. In fact, the graph that you saw is actually the case of price of petrol on different days, in a month. Okay, that's what you are seeing here. Okay, so a non-time series based is the data is not dependent on time. So please note this difference. In time series based anomalies, the data points are plotted against time and the data is basically based on time, right? The performance is based on time. It can be month, year, hour, week, second, any type of time. Okay. In a non-time series data, the data is not dependent on time at all, right? There is no reference to time. So please note this difference. And within non-time series, we have three different types. Okay. Rather, we have two different types. One is supervised and unsupervised. That is, references to past instances of anomalies is not there in unsupervised. Such references are available in supervised. That is, labeled data and unlabeled data. In unsupervised, the labeled data is just not there, right? You may think that unsupervised is really an anomaly among all the techniques. But in reality, unsupervised is what is most widely used because robust data is just not available yet in the world of business. So please keep this in mind as you approach anomaly detection. And within unsupervised, we will see two different types: clustered or non-cluster based algorithms. Before I conclude this session, I want to show examples of time based and non-time based data sets. What you're seeing here is time based data sets. Here, Y is the sales that happened on different days. Okay, so you see that Y is based on time, right? So this is a time based data set, similar to what you saw earlier, the price of petrol on different days that was plotted in a graph to introduce anomaly. That is also time based. Okay, and what you see here, this is a non-time based data set. In this, we are going to determine anomalies with respect to price. Okay, price of an apartment in a particular city. And we are going to consider multiple factors. And if you see here, there is no reference to past anomalies. Okay, so this is an unsupervised non-time based data set. Okay, this one is a supervised data set and it is a non-time based data set. If you see here, this is from banking area. Okay, and references to anomaly is there, whether the individual is going to default or not. Okay, so that is an anomaly, right? From a set of data points, I determine which of my customers are going to be problematic. So the problematic customers are anomaly data points, right? So this is a non-time based supervised because the label is available. Label with respect to past data is available. Okay, and so we will start off with time series based anomaly in the next session.